2015 Lincoln MKT. How to reset oil change light. Press the button once, two, all lights lit up. On the steering wheel, see this button here? Press it and it change. So we're gonna press OK first. Press left and it change your display. Go down to settings. Press the arrow to the right. Press the arrow to the right for vehicle. Press the arrow right for oil life reset. And hold the OK button down until show 100%. That's how you do it.